So here we are next day. I'm painting this outside because the garage is full of other things. So it's a driveway project, quite a advanced, I would say, driveway project. And I painted it last night thinking that there didn't seem to be too many flies about. We've had quite a lot of dry weather, so I think that's sort of killed off a lot of the flies. I think it's when it's quite wet you get a surge of them because it sort of breeds in damp conditions. However, there's very little flies around last night, and I seem to have got it right because I don't have a single fly decided to land in the lacquer when it was wet. And I didn't put any special hardener in to make it set any quicker. It was just a standard thinner. So it seems to have gone, standard hardener, so it seems to have gone pretty well. Nice sharp lines. I'm really loving the tape that I'm using. It's giving really sharp lines, no bleeding or anything of the colour to the other side or anything like that. As I think I've said previously, I'll need to make a scoop, an air scoop for this to do it. I think to do it justice, effectively, the scoop that it had wasn't really really suited for it properly, and it's come out reasonably straight for something that was so bad, so really bad. And look at the door jamb. The door jamb was just horrendous. I mean, it was absolutely awful. The worst probably I've seen on any car. Just absolutely horrendous. Next job is going to be to clean up inside the inner arch, tidy up some of the welds, get some sealant on those, and then get it properly stone chipped with a good stone chip. You can see that some of the stone chip that was applied before probably wasn't applied very well. It's flaking off and things like that. So I've got to remove a lot of that, clean a lot of that up. And I'm even considering taking off the suspension arms and getting them blasted and painted and putting them back on. Might be going a bit crazy, a bit overboard. Sills need cleaned up a bit as well. They've got some horrible wax on them, so that'll have to get cleaned off and tidied up as well. But yeah, pretty happy with my day's work yesterday.